Well, hi folks, as you can see the spuds are still growing, if you can hear me over the pouring rain. So last time I tipped out some Nicola or Charlotte, I can't remember which again. So this time I'm going to try this variety, which is Jazzy. Never grown it before. It's come with some good recommendations from people. Apparently it's quite a prolific cropper. I can feel a few little lumps and bumps in the pot. These were planted a little bit later than the Charlotte or Nicola, so they might not be as big, but anyway, we'll see. So we'll get one of these out and have a bit of a harvest. Right then folks, we'll get the tops chopped off first. And we'll see what we've got. So like I said, these are called Jazzy. I think they're quite a smallish potato, but apparently you get a really big yield, so I can feel a few lumps and bumps in the pot. So we'll see how we get on. Let's have a look. Yep, we're still getting them. Let's have a look at these. They look a little bit small. Like I said, I only planted these a bit later. Let's have a look what sort of yield we get. They're a nice shape, nice little shape. But yeah, there are a few small ones. So these are the seed potatoes. They're a more sort of elongated shape than other potatoes apparently, which is nice. So I only put 2 seed potatoes in. Let's just get into this a bit more. Oh crikey, look, they're coming. Certainly been a good year for spuds so far. That's the second seed potato. Oh yeah, look, it's full. Prolific. Oh dear. Yeah, I can certainly say it's, considering the weather's been so horrible, I just don't understand how it's been such a good year for potatoes so far. But having said that, if you remember when I planted these, I used this fertiliser I used to use called Spuds Galore, and when I used to use that I used to get enormous crops, so perhaps it's the Spuds Galore fertiliser that's doing the trick. Anyway, I'll put a link in for the Spuds Galore fertiliser where you can get it off Amazon if anyone's interested. It's not that dear, it's about 10 quid for a pot, but you only use a very small amount. And like I said, that's the reason why I'm getting such a great crop this year. I haven't got a clue what they'll be like in the bigger pots outside, because I've used it in there as well. So we'll just have a little root through. See if we've got any more. Oh, there's more, look. Still more. Bonkers this year. Yeah, feel another one there. I think that's about it. Don't think there's quite as many as I got last time from the Nicola. Like I said, these were grown a little bit later, but we're still getting on for £3 again there, which is, it's just ridiculous from a little 10-litre pot with just 2 little seed potatoes in. So there we go, that's Jazzy, another fantastic yield. That's about it folks, a few more spuds, see you later.